We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, CAD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, lower lows. Price action overall, higher highs. Midpoint. Also adding second level highs. And also adding third level highs. So I zoom in the price to see what's going on. So price action, monthly time frame, bullish green candle, very small side by side with the second last candle. So we do have that consolidation. Also within that area is reading that the market did break and retest. Is it pushing up? Is it reversing the push down with the bearish red candle? Or are we going to receive that consolidation in that area? Price action currently sitting at 1.34490. If price work its way up, it can head to the midpoint between both of the red SR lines at the numbers of 1.38384. Before reaching there, market can tag the numbers, which would be the second to last candle top of that body at the numbers of 1.36215. Price decides to drop down, it can drop down to, after it breaks the support line, it can head down to between the middle of the red SR line, the black SR line, stopping near the numbers of 1.29988. Before tagging that number, it can also tag the numbers which would be near the bottom of the second last candle wick at 1.31947. So you can see price action in that mid-range, that area. That's, as we said before, market could be coming from a break and retest. If so, we have multiple pushes down to that bottom. So let's read it. We have an overall, and we have what's in the section. So it's checking out the overall of the whole chart. We have multiple spike downs. So it's a break and retest. We have that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushing up, break the midpoint, retest to push up further. So overall, it's coming from a triple bottom and a retest. See if we get that push within that area, below that area price. If it does push up from that area, it's coming from that overall first, second, third, fourth, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3, altogether about 5 pushes down to that bottom. So that's the max that I was trying to break through. 5 pushes. Market's working his way up from a 5 pushes to the bottom, break, retest. Now we're going to see if that market's going to push up further. If that market decides to come down, it's coming down from an overall, multiple pushes to that top of that resistance. So we do have that overall first, second, overall, third, fourth, double top already created. Went back for that retest, which will be considered the triple top or the double top and retest, and markets work his way down. So if markets work his way down, we look for market to tag that area, third leg, come down, retest the red SR line to work his way down from that overall triple top and a push. Or we can receive that consolidation within price and second last candle as it currently doing. Price action is within that second last candle, headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on a weekly time frame reading as a bullish green, push up to the top. So it's a doji. So it's weak. It's a weak candle, indecisive. Same as the second last candle is clear out doji. Price action to push up to the top. So let's read it. So we got to break down the area. First of all, we know we're in the zone, so we can be looking for a pattern. If that market does push down, it's coming from what's at the high, which would be coming up in green. First, second, third, fourth, double top, retest. Market push down from a double top and retest, or double top and 2 retests. And what the market's trying to do right now is come back to retest that overall double top, the double retest of this area here, of that midpoint. So we have resistance, midpoint support, market broke, came back to retest the midpoint. Now if it follows up with a bearish red candle, market's coming from a double top and a triple retest of that midpoint, and the market's working its way down. Or we can receive that consolidation sideways with price second, third, and fourth to last candle. But overall, you're looking for market to break out of the fourth to last candle towards that upside or towards that bottom side. Anything within that area, as we can see, is consolidation, and that's what we're going to put our zone when we get to a lower time frame. Headed down to the daily. On the daily, we have type price action as a bullish green doji. So it's either retest that support line to push up further. If so, we'll see that first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushes up back to that previous area within that SR line. So we look for the break and retest of the SR line for that market to work its way up for the double bottom and a retest. If it doesn't, market's coming down from multiple pushes to that resistance. We have a break, a retest. So we can see that overall first, second, third, got the engulfment. Market can work its way down for that double top. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. On that 4-hour time frame, we know we are above an SR line. We're going to put a zone in that area. A little bit above, a little bit below. Let's take a look at what's happening. So we can see that the market did break. So we received a double bottom first. So right below price, we received that first, second, third, fourth, retest one. So we have a double bottom. Market retest that area twice, got received another double bottom. Market spiked the high, came back to retest the previous time again, the previous side again. So it could create a double bottom because that price action candle, bullish green doji, is a retest consolidation, came back to spike down on that zone, but still has momentum to push up. So as we walk down, could be seeing a double bottom and a retest. But overall, it's reading as the break, the double retest, pushed up again, came back to retest, and we see if that market's going to break. So breaking down the area, we break it up in the resistance. We have the midpoint, and we have price action below that area is a low. So price action is currently headed to the midpoint, but still tags second level highs in that area. So is it tagging to drop down because it's a doji? So if so, we can see a double top form, first, second, third, fourth. Retest, market's coming down. Working our way to the 3-hour time frame. Doji cross, so we have a pattern that first, second, third, fourth. Double bottom, retest, that's what it's reading as, double bottom and retest so far. Same as well, first, second, third, fourth on a 2-hour time frame. Price action, bullish green candle, still indecisive, side by side with the last few candles. Headed down to the 1, same thing, bullish green doji, all doji, everything's consolidating, waiting for that breakout. Price action tagged that top of that resistance not once but twice. So we have a break, a return, a break, a return, a break, and a return again. We're going to see if that market's going to push down from that double top that can be forming in that area. 45 minutes, still reading the same thing, but switched up with a bearish red candle, spike up to the high. Price action side by side with second to last candle, so it's still receiving that consolidation. 15-minute time frame. We can see that double bottom right below price, so break it down. We already have a resistance line. We have our mid, and our support will be the top of that zone. Market created a double bottom, broke, retesting back to that previous W to see if it's going to push up. If not, we'll see that market break, retest, and push down further. So it's currently breaking the midpoint in that area. Price action 5-minute time frame, still headed back to that zone for that full break out and coming back to retest, as we can currently see. Headed down to 3 minutes, same as well. Market broke, came back to retest, coming from multiple pushes to that double top and retest or a triple top in that area. 1-minute time frame, still working its way. Now we can see a much more clear triple top, retest, market push down back to the area of support. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys. This is Cam Jones, FX, USD, CAD.